Good morning, dear students. My name is Ferhan Mazher, and today we are studying the subject DMaths 4024. This is O levels mathematics, and we are working on its syllabus. And today we are working on the concept of the angle properties of the circles. And today we are going to work on two properties. One is that the tangent and the radius, they are perpendicular to each other, and that the line joining the center of the circle with an external point of the circle from where the two tangents are drawn onto a circle. So that line bisects the angle at the center, and it also bisects the angle at between the tangents. So this concept is in exercise 13b, and that is in the book D3. The name of the book is New Syllabus Mathematics 7th edition, book 3, and it's chapter 13, which is the last chapter of that book, and it's exercise 13b. So this is the first video on this exercise, and we will practice questions related with this property and the previous property which we have studied. So let's start, and hope you will be able to understand that how this is done. So here we go. So we are on the exercise 13b. So this is book D3, and we are on the exercise 13b. So the question number 1 is coming up on your screen. He says in the figure BP, this one, is a tangent to the circle with the center O. Given that the APO angle, let me increase the size. Given that that the APO angle is 33, find the PBA. PBA. Okay. PBA angle. It's very simple. Okay, you know, this is radius, so this will be an isotriangle. This will be 33, this will be 33. So from 180 subtract 33, 33, you will get this angle AOP, because this will be a straight line. From here, subtract this angle, you will get this angle. And you know, this OP is the radius and the PB is the tangent. So this angle is 90. Once you know this angle and this angle, then you can find this angle. The sum of the angles of a triangle is 180. So from 180, I will subtract this, which will be 90, and this angle, which will be, I hope, 66. And from there, I can find this angle. So very simple. This is how you will do the question number 1. Okay. So here, because this is radius, OP is radius, OA is radius. So this OAP is an isotriangle. So if this is 33, this angle alpha will be also 33. Once I know these angles, you see, angle alpha will be 33, because the AOB, I wrote here AOB, it's AOP actually. AOP is the isotriangle. So this angle, gamma, which will be 90, because the tangent is perpendicular to the radius. So I have taken this whole triangle APB. This angle is 33. This is 33 plus 90, and this is the question. So you see, alpha plus 33 plus gamma plus PBA equals to 180. So 33 plus 33 plus 90 plus PBA is equals to 180. So the PBA equals to 180 minus 90 minus 33 minus 33. So PBA will be 24. So let me reduce the size so you can see the whole question together. Okay, so I hope you can see the question number 1. You see this APB full triangle, and I know this angle 33 plus 90 and this angle. So this is 33, 33, 90, and this angle. They are the vertices of this APB triangle. So you can find that angle, APB. ABP can be found. So this is how you will do this question. Okay, the next question. Okay. Question number 2, exercise 13B. In the figure, O is the center of the circle passing through the point A and B. TA is a tangent to the circle at A, and the TOB is a straight line. Given that the angle AOT is 64, find the ATB. So basically they are asking you to find this angle. You see very easy. This is 64. This is the circle. Let me know. You see this angle will be 90 because tangent and the radius they are perpendicular to each other. This will be 90, 64. You can find this angle. Then they ask you find out TAB. They want you to find out this whole angle, the angle TAB. This is 64. You can find this angle because this is radius. This will be isotriangle. So we can find this angle and this angle. They will be equal to each other. And then I can easily tell what is TAB. That will be 90 plus this angle. So that's the strategy. Let me show you how this is done. Okay. Now this angle alpha will be 90 because the tangent is perpendicular to radius. So the ATB, this angle will be this plus this equals to 180. So ATB plus 90 plus 64 will be equals to 180. So the ATB will be 180 minus 154, and that will be 26. So this angle ATB is 26. Now I can find the TAB. First of all, we will find this angle, gamma. So it's a straight line. So 64 plus gamma is 180. So the gamma will be 180 minus 64, and that will be 116. Once I know this, because OA is radius, OB is radius, so it's an isotriangle. This angle will be beta. This will be also beta. So we can find the value of the beta. Beta plus gamma is equals to 180. 2 beta is equals to 180 minus 116. So gamma value is 116. So beta will be 32. Okay. So now I can find the TAB. TAB is this whole angle. This is 90 and this is 32. Just add them up, and that will be your answer. So 122. Yes. So let me reduce the size so you can see the whole question. And my dear students, the question number 2, the whole question is showing up on your screen. And I hope you understand the techniques which I'm using. You can pause the video and you can take your time with this question. Okay, so we are going to the next question. Okay, the next question is, it says in the figure AB is a tangent to the circle with the center O. D is the midpoint of the chord BC. So if this is the midpoint, the line coming from the center will make 90-degree angle with it. So the chord will be bisected. This angle here will be also bisected because it's an isotriangle. Given that the angle BSC, this angle here, BSC is X, find the COD. They want COD. They want this angle. Okay, no problem. So let me show you. So they want the basic angle COD. So suppose this angle is alpha, this angle is 90. So the alpha will be alpha, this angle is X, okay. So alpha plus X plus 90 equals to 180. So the alpha will be 180. They will go to the other side, minus 90 minus X. So it will be 90 minus X, okay. So the alpha, this angle here is 90 minus X. So then the COB, this whole angle, because it's a straight line. So this and this whole angle, they are making a straight line. So the COB will be equals to 180 minus alpha. So COB will be minus 180 minus the value of the alpha is 90 minus x. So when you open this bracket, COB will be 180 minus 90 plus x. So COB will be 90 plus x by 2. So this whole angle is 90 plus x. So the COD will be, because this line will bisect this angle, that's the property of isotriangle. So COD will be half of the COB. So 1 by 2 of the 90 plus x. You can give this 2, you can put this 2 under both of them. So it will be 90 by 2 plus x by 2 equals to 45 plus x by 2. Because this is isotriangle, so this bisects this angle. Okay, that's the property of isotriangle. So let me reduce the size so you can see the whole question together. So on your screen, the question number 3 is showing up, and there can be more than one method to solve this question. This is one of the methods which I have used, and I hope that you have understood. Okay. Now we are going to the next question. The next question is question number 4. And he says, given that the PA and the PB are tangents to each of the following circles with the center O, find the values of the unknown. So here, there are two tangents from this external point. This is the center of the circle. PB is the length of the tangent. PA is also the length of the tangent. Both the tangents are from the same external point. This line joins the external point with the center of the circle. So this bisects the angle at the center. This also bisects angle between the tangents. So the question is, what is the value of the angle A? That will be equals to the 49. What will be the length B? That will be equals to 14 centimeter. Let me show you. Okay. So here is that question. The B length will be equals to 14 centimeter, both tangents from the same external point. They are equal in length. And the angle A will be equals to 49 because the OP line bisects the BOA angle. The line joining the external point and the center of the circle bisects the angle at the center and also bisects the angle between the tangents. So this is the why the angle A will be equals to 49 degree. So that was question number 14, 4A part. Now we are going to the question number 4, it's B part. Here, BP is 15. From here to here, sorry, this angle is 32, and this angle is C. This is D. They want you to find out the C. If this is 32, this angle will be OPA will be also 32. This angle, you know, is 90. So C plus 32 plus 90 will be equals to 180. From there, we can find the value of the C. This D length of the tangent is equals to 15. So this is how this should be done. So let me show you. Here we go. Okay, so for first of all, the triangle OAP, OPA angle, this angle will be also 32 because this line bisects the angle between the tangents. So this is 32, this will be also 32. And this angle here, it will be of the 90 because the tangent is perpendicular to the radius. So if I add C, 90 and 32, it will be 180. Sum of the internal angles of a triangle is 180. So C will be equals to 180 minus 90 minus 32, and that will be 58. So this angle is 58. AP is the length of the tangent. That will be equals to the length of the tangent BP, which is 15. Both the tangents are supposed to be equal. So my dear student, this is how you will do question number 4, and it's B part. I hope you understand. Okay, question number 4, and its C part is showing up on your screen. So the radius is 10, that this total angle BOA is 112. So this portion BOP will be 56, and the AOP will be also 56. This angle is E, and this side is F. We can find out this by using the sine, cos, tan, sum, applying the trigonometric ratio. Let me show you. Okay. So this angle here will be 56, and this angle here is 90. This angle here is also 90. So I can easily find this E, 56 plus E plus 90 equals to 180. So E will be 34. 180 minus 90 minus 56, that will be 34. Then consider this triangle. I want to find out the F. This angle is 90. This angle is 56. This is the base. This is the perpendicular. So I will use tan. 56 equals to perpendicular by base. Tan 56 perpendicular by base. So this tan will go to this side, multiply. So F will be equals to 10 multiply tan 56, and that will be 14.8. So the length of the BP is 14.8. So this is how you will do this question. So you can see question number 14C, the full question is showing up on your screen. You can pause the video and take your time with this question. Okay, so we are going on to the D part. Question number 4, and it's D part. Here we go. This angle here is 35. This angle will be also 35. This is angle G. So very easily we can find. This angle is H. This angle here will be also H because the BP and the AP, they are equal in length. OB and the OA, they also are equal in length because they are radius. Okay. So OBP. So I'm trying to find out this angle, okay, in this solution, BOP. So this whole angle is 90, this is 35, and this angle I want to know. So it will be 55. So this angle will be 55. So now I can find this is 55, this is 55, this angle is G, this angle is also G. So 55 plus 55 plus G is equals to 180. So 110 plus 2G equals to 180. 2G is equals to 180 minus 110. So that will G will be equals to 70 divided by 2, and that will be 35. So the value of the angle G is 35. Now, once I know the value of the G, I know this whole angle will be of 90 degrees. So this is G and this is H. So G plus H will be equals to 90. G value is 35 plus H equals to 90. H will be equals to 90 minus 35. So H will be equals to 55. So the question number 4 is D part is showing up on your screen. You see there can be many ways in which this question can be solved. This is one of the ways. Okay. So that was question number 4. It's D part. Now we will have question number 4. It's E part. So BP is the tangent, 12 meter. Radius is 5. This length from here till here is I. This angle is J. We can find angle J very easily. Apply. This is a right angle triangle, you know. This angle is 90. So this is perpendicular, this is base. I can apply tan J and we can find the value of the J very easily. Okay, so apply here this angle. Suppose it's F. Tan F will be equals to perpendicular by base. So F will be equals to tan inverse of bracket 12 by 5 bracket close. So F will be equals to 67.4. So F will be equals to 67.4. So this is how you will find that angle. Okay. Now they want you to find out this. From here to here, it is radius. This is 5 meter. That's the radius. This is radius. Here it is I. This is 12. So this is 5. This is 5 plus I. This is 12. It's a right angle triangle. We can apply Pythagoras. So here you can see I have applied 5 plus I whole square is equals to 5 square plus 12 square. Okay. So I will open this whole square. So, but don't open it. It will go much easier the other way. 5 plus I whole square will be equals to 5 square plus 12 square. That's 25 plus 144. So 5 plus I whole square is equals to 169. Take square root on both the sides. So 5 plus I whole square under root equals to 169 under root. So 5 plus I will be equals to plus minus 13. So the I value will be minus 5 plus 13, or I value will be minus 5 minus 13. So the I value from here will be 8. From here it will be minus 8. So neglect the negative number. This 8 is the right answer, sir. So this is how this is done. Okay. So that's the second part. And this is the first part. Question number 4, E part. That is the first portion, and that is the rest of the question. And I hope you understand. Okay. Okay, now we are going to the next part. Question number 4, and it's F part. He says, here we have again a same diagram, but numbers have changed. So the radius here is K, this angle is L, this is 15. This length is 7, this length will be K. So this total length OP will be K plus 7. This will be K, this will be 15. So we can apply the Pythagoras and we can find the value of the K. Once I know the K value, then I will be able to find this angle L also. Okay, this is the F part. You can see this is K, this is 15, this is K plus 7. So we will apply the Pythagoras. Hypotenuse square is equal to perpendicular square plus base square. Open this whole square with the algebraic identity. A plus B whole square is equals to A square plus 2AB plus B square. Square of the first term plus 2 into first term into second term plus square of the second term. So it will be K square plus 14K plus 49 equals to, this will be K square plus 225. K square and K square will be cancelled. So you are left with 14K equals to, this is 225. This will go to the other side, will become minus 49. So K will be equals to 176 divided by 14, and K will be 12.6. So the radius here is 12.6. So this is 12.6. So now if I want to find out this angle, I will use tan perpendicular by base. So it will be 15 divided by 12.26. So I will be tan inverse bracket 15 divided 12.6 bracket close equals to, and that will be 14.96, approximately 15 degree. So this is how you will do question number 4, F part. And you can pause the video. You see, you can pause the video. This is the F part, okay? And take some time to do this question. Okay, so we are going to the next question. The next question is question number 5. He says in the figure, PAT is a tangent to the circle center O at A. C is a point on the circle such that the TBC is a straight line and the angle ACB is 44. So this angle here, ACB, is 44. Given that the OBA angle is 46 and the PSC is 69, fine. The BAT, they want you to find out this angle, and they want you to find out this angle. Okay, so very simple. You know, this OB and OA, they are radius. So this is an isotriangle. So this is 46. This angle will be also 46. So this whole angle is, you know, it is 90. So from 90 minus up 46, you will get this angle. And once you know this angle, because this whole angle should be 180, we can find this angle. And I know, if I know this whole angle and this angle, then I can find this angle. Very simple. Let me show you how this is actually done. Okay. So you can see this is radius, so this is 46, this will be also 46, is an iso triangle. And so this angle OAT should be 90. Radius is perpendicular to the tangent. So from there I can find the BAT angle, that will be 44, 190 minus 46, that this angle will be 44. Once I know this 69, this is 46, this is 44, I can find this angle, and this angle will be, okay, I have used this technique, this whole angle will be 90. From OA and PA, this angle will be 90. So subtract 69, you will get this angle is 21 alpha. Okay, once I know this angle, then I can find this angle. The question is, okay, now you know this whole angle, I know this is 44, this is 46, this is 21, this is 44, and I want to know this angle. So look at this CAT triangle. I know this whole angle, I know this angle, I can find this very easily. So 44 plus 21 plus 90 plus PTC is equals to 180. So 65 plus 90 plus PTC is equals to 180. So PTC is equals to 180 minus 155. PTC equals to 25 degree. So that angle will be PTC, this angle will be 25. So this is how this is done. And I don't know if you can see the whole question together. Yeah, now this whole question is showing up on your screen, and you can pause the video, take your time to watch this whole question together. Okay, so we are going to the next question. The next question is question number C. He says the figure shows a circle center OAC is a tangent to the circle at the A, and the OBC is a straight line. OBC is a straight line. Given that AC is 18 and the BC is 12, from here to here, it is 12. Find the radius of the circle. So this is radius. This portion will be also radius. This will be radius. This will be 18. This will be radius plus 12. So we will apply Pythagoras, and very easily we can find the R value here. Then he says AOB angle. Then they want you to find out this angle. We can use tangent and we can find this, the area of the shaded region. We will find the area of this triangle. We will find the area of this sector. From the area of the triangle, we will subtract the area of the sector, and that will give us the shaded region, area of the shaded region. Okay. Okay. So this is radius. This is R plus 12. This is 18. This is hypotenuse, and we will apply the Pythagoras. Here we go. R plus 12 whole square will be equals to R square plus 18 square. So we will open it. So R square plus 24, R plus 144 will be equals to R square plus 324. R square cancelled. So you will have 24R equals to 324 minus 144. So this angle gamma, this radius will be, equals to 324 minus 140, 180 divided by 24, and that will be 7.5 centimeter. So radius is 7.5 centimeter. This will be also 7.5. So now I can apply the tangent formula, perpendicular by base. Okay, perpendicular by base. So tan AOB will be equals to 18 divided by 7.5. So AOB will be equals to tan inverse bracket 18 divided 7.5 bracket close. So AOB angle will be 67.4 degree. So I know this 67.4 degree. Okay, now I know this angle. So find the area of this triangle. It's a right angle triangle, 1 by 2 into base into height. Find the area of this whole triangle. So it will be 1 by 2 into 7.5 into 18. That will be 67.5 centimeters square. Then find the area of that sector. The area of the sector, the formula is theta by 360 pi r square. Theta is 67.4 divided by 360 multiply pi multiply. The radius is 7.5 square. So you get 33.1 centimeters square. So the shaded area will be area 1 minus area 2, and that will be 67.5 minus 33.1. So that will be 34.4 centimeters square. So this shaded area of the triangle, From it, we subtracted the area of this sector, and we got the area of the shaded region. So its answer will be 34.4 centimeters square. So this is how this is done. This is question number, the question number, I think 6. I'm just reducing the size so you can see the whole question. This is the whole question, working question number 6. So the whole question 6 is working, is showing up on your screen. You can pause the video and take your time to do this question. Okay, so let's move to the next question. And let me show you once again. This is question number 13B. These are the stepwise questions. These are the stepwise solution. Okay, so we are going to the next question. The next question on your screen is question number 7. He says that the PQ is a chord of a circle with the center O, given that the angle POQ is 84. Find the obtuse angle between the PQ and the tangent at the P. So we are talking about a circle, and there's a chord PQ, and the POQ angle is 84. Find the obtuse angle between the PQ and the tangent at the P. Let me show you this diagram. So here, a circle. Here we have a chord PQ. The angle at the center by the chord POQ is 84 degree. The tangent at the P, and the obtuse angle between the chord PQ and the tangent is this one. So I need to find out this angle, this angle is 90. Once I know this angle, I will add them 90 and this, and that is the obtuse angle. Okay. So because this is radius, and so this is an iso triangle. So alpha plus alpha, I'm saying alpha plus 84 is equals to 180. So 2 alpha is equals to 180 minus 84. 2 alpha is equals to 96. So alpha will be 96 minus divided by 2 equals to 48. So this angle is 48. This angle, the tangent and the radius, they're perpendicular to each other. This angle is 90. So this obtuse angle, which is this whole angle, that will be alpha plus 90, and that is 90 plus 48, and that is 138. So this is how this question is done. So I think the whole question 7 is coming up on your screen. You can pause the video and you can take your time and look at this question. Okay, so we are going to the next question. The next question is question number 8. And it says the tangent from a point P touches a circle at N, given that the radius of the circle is 5.6 centimeter and that P is 10.6 centimeter away from the center. Find the length of the tangent PN. Okay, so we are talking about a circle. So we are talking about a circle, and here we have that circle. That's the point P, which is 10.6 centimeter from the center. The radius is 5.6 centimeter. They want us to find out the length of this tangent PN. Okay, so because this is a 90-degree angle, this is your hypotenuse, and this is your radius. This is that tangent, which is perpendicular. So we can find the length of the PN. We can apply the Pythagoras theorem. So it will be 10.6 square equals to 5.6 square plus PN square. So that will be 112.36 equals to 31.36 plus PN square. So 112.36 minus 31.36 equals to PN square. So PN square will be equals to 81. The PN will be equals to square root 81, and PN will be equals to 9. So the length of that tangent is 9. I hope you understand how this question number 8 is done. Okay, so we are going to the next question. The next question is a point T is 9.1 meter away from the center of a circle. The tangent from the T to the point of tangency is 8.4 meter. Find the diameter of the circle. It's very simple and straightforward question, but you have to draw the draw the diagram. So here we have a circle. This is the tangent. The length of the tangent, he told us, is 8.4 meter. And the center and the T, they are 8.1 meter away. The radius is the question. Basically, diameter is the question. First, I will find the radius. So apply the Pythagoras here. R square plus 8.4 square equals to 9.1 square. So R square will be equals to 9.1 square minus 8.4 square. And it will be R square equals to 12.25. So R is equal to under root 12.25. Radius will be 3.5. Diameter will be 2 times the radius. So it will be 2 in multiply 3.5, and that will be 7 meter. So the radius of this circle is 7 meter. The whole question is showing up on your screen. You can pause the video and you can take your time and read this question carefully. So my dear students, today 3 questions are left. So we have done from question number I think from 1 to question number. Oh my God. I have done from question number 1 to question number 9. So I have done my best. I have tried my best to explain you the concepts. This is a little tricky questions, but I hope that this video will help you. If you are watching this video and you have seen this exercise from question number 1 to question number 9 from this video, and you find this video helpful, and please share the link of this video onto your Facebook account, onto your Instagram accounts, and to your Twitter accounts. Also subscribe this channel. Also don't forget to like this video. So it's a great blessing for me to be able to teach you online through this YouTube channel. God bless you. Thank you very much.